Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's me, Aryan Joy, and we haven't seen each other in a while, but it's okay because today, me and my mom, we're here at the botanical garden. So we're gonna show you around. Hopefully, we'll check out the insectarium too, but for now, let's go look around at the flowers.
Oh, climbing.
I don't have pants.
Huh?
I wanna go rock climbing.
You want to go?
I like that. I like that.
Ayan ang Olympic Stadium.
I want a flower.
Yan ang Olympia. Oh, Olympic sign. Wow.
Laklak sa Pilipinas ang mga ito ah.
Where do you want to picture, my dear? Huh? Look guys, oh. May kakaibang tree. Ewan namin kung makakain kaya ito. Look, Joy, oh. It's like a fruit. Comment kayo guys kung makakain ito. Yan, oh. Alright, bili tayo ng ticket para makapasok tayo sa Botanical Garden. That is the, what do you call that again?
Olympic Stadium. Is it?
OMG guys, we have to line up. May pila. Tickets. It's a Lumiere. Is there information there? Wow, so big. Tunay po, tunay ito, tunay. Tignan mo, oh, ang daming ano. They check if it's real or no, or not. Oh no, ang daming nag-check, oh, kung real or hindi. Real po ang mga yan. Yan, oh.
It's real.
Wow. Ay, ano ito, pagka ano, maganda ito pag gabi. Kasi puro lights. Maganda ito pag gabi, puro lights.
Oh yeah.
Pero pag ngayon, yes?
This is for kids.
I know.
Yeah, we're kids. I'm kids. Me and your mom is a
Oh,
kid
see?
there.
Wow.
And this is so cute.
Yeah. Malapit na kasi ang Halloween. So, oh. Alright. How about there in the lion? You want to picture there? Yeah?
Oh, I like.
You like? Kasi hindi na tayo babalik dito. Oo. Kaya kung gusto niyo mag-picture,
Huwag ka munang mag-picture ng punong kahoy kasi doon sa puti natin. Panay puno
Yes.
naman ng kahoy. Oh, she want it there.
Dito oh, sa may ano.
Yeah, I want also.
Ayan si Joy, nagpipicture ng ano, ng lion. You want to picture with you? Na nakuha ba yan? Sayang kasi minsan ano eh, puno ng flower yan. Oh, yan ang roses. Ayan ang mga rose. Ang mga roses. Picture ang aking Joy. Ayan. Iba't ibang klaseng roses.
Pero baka may makakita sa akin. Gayahin ko ang action niya.
Dito naman tayo sa Japanese garden. Come on, Joy. Dito sa Japanese garden. Yan mga lilies. Alright. Against the light ba? Ayan si Arian. Mag-isa doon.
Diyan ka lang ha, diyan ka lang ha, diyan ka lang ha. Against the light. Punta ako doon. Paano ko i-close up? Bakit hindi ma-close up? Bakit hindi ko ma-close up? O naka-close up na ito. Naka-close up na, no? Okay lang. Punta nga rin ako doon.
Okay. Paggabi maganda dito kasi puro lights. Ayan, iilaw yan. Yan. Ayan. Ayan ang mga bulaklak. Oh. Ayan, ang Japanese garden.
Come.
No, ikaw na lang. There is they have a bonsai area.
Where is the bonsai?
Ayan, mga bonsai plants. Look at this one. Ayan ang mga bonsai tree nila. Oh, no touching. Yan oh, grabe. Oh, pine tree. Pine tree na ano. Sorry, my dear. Did you see? Ayan. Okay, dito kami sa parang disyerto. Chinese garden. Parang maraming bonsai. Pero very dry naman. Yan oh. Very dry. Kaso bawal bawal umakyat. Ayan oh, mga maliliit oh.
Maliliit na tanim nila na.
Oo. Ito nga oh, mga what do you call that again? Cactus. Oh. Oh, may falls din dito. Ayan. Oh, baho mo naman. Ito na yung medyo lumaking bonsai nila. Linagay nila dito sa Japanese garden. Oh. Let's go na, Joy. Yan, nandito ako sa Hello. Let's go there. Let's go na.
It has duckies.
Yeah, I know. I saw it.
Ducks.
The ducks.
More than
Dito tayo may bulaklak dito. I don't know if may daan dito ah. Ikaw yata yan eh. Yes. Okay. Ang cute. Ang cute.
Hey guys! So this is our route to go out. Like you can see, there's still a lot of plants, but this is the end of our journey. So we did a little scout around. We didn't end up going to the insectarium, but I found out it's dead animals, like dead insects, and I thought it was just, like alive, so it's okay if I missed out. I really enjoyed it though, because it had a bunch of plants, and it had the we still went to the Japanese garden, so it was very nice, and the weather is pretty nice too. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.